Top 5 nutritional benefits of hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are not just a trendy topping on smoothie bowls, they're nutritional superheroes, especially if you're looking to manage diabetes, stay young, feel energetic, and take care of your whole body. Let's start with what makes hemp seeds a true anti-aging powerhouse. One of their greatest gifts is their high content of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. These are healthy fats that your body loves. Omega-3s are known for fighting inflammation, which is kind of like the body's version of rust. Over time, inflammation can damage cells, cause wrinkles, joint pain, and even memory problems. But omega-3s swoop in like little superheroes, keeping your skin smooth, your joints comfy, and your brain sharp. And get this, hemp seeds have these fats in the perfect balance, which helps keep your heart strong and blood sugar stable. That's a big win if you're managing type 2 diabetes or trying to age gracefully. Now here's something really cool. Hemp seeds are one of the only plant-based sources of complete protein. That means they contain all 9 amino acids your body needs to build and repair muscles. Why does that matter? Well, as we get older, we naturally start losing muscle, and that can slow down our metabolism and make blood sugar harder to manage. But with protein from hemp seeds, you can keep your muscles strong, burn fat more efficiently, and stay energized. It also helps you feel full longer, so you're not constantly craving snacks or sugar. That's a major plus for weight loss and blood sugar control. Third, let's talk about heart health, because what good is staying young if our hearts can't keep up, right? Hemp seeds are rich in a compound called arginine. It helps your blood vessels relax, improving circulation and lowering blood pressure. They're also a good source of fiber, which scrubs out the bad cholesterol from your system and slows down how fast sugar enters your blood. That means fewer sugar spikes, more stable energy, and a happier, healthier heart. For people with diabetes, this combo is gold. If you like this video so far, consider liking it and subscribing to our channel. It helps encourage us to continue making videos like this. Now here comes one of the most underrated benefits: reducing inflammation and boosting your immune system. Hemp seeds contain something called GLA, which is short for gamma-linolenic acid. Sounds fancy, right? But GLA is just a special fat that helps with things like hormone balance, joint comfort, and calming chronic inflammation, the kind of inflammation linked to diabetes, arthritis, and even skin aging. Plus, they're full of antioxidants, which are like shields that protect your cells from damage and keep your skin and organs young. Some studies even suggest that GLA can help relieve nerve pain in diabetics. To get maximum nutritional benefits, rotate hemp seeds in your diet with flax seeds and sunflower seeds. At the end of this video, we have attached videos about nutritional benefits of flax seeds and sunflower seeds. Click on them to learn more about these superfoods. Last but not least, hemp seeds are packed with magnesium, iron, and zinc, 3 essential minerals that do a lot of heavy lifting in your body. Magnesium helps regulate blood sugar and helps your muscles relax, especially at night. Iron helps your blood carry oxygen so you don't feel tired all the time. And zinc helps your body heal and keeps your immune system strong. When you're getting enough of these, you sleep better, think clearer, and your body stays in balance. For anyone managing diabetes or just looking to stay youthful and vibrant, these minerals are must-haves, and hemp seeds have them all. So how much should you eat? About 2 to 3 tablespoons a day is perfect. That's around 170 calories. But don't worry, these are healthy calories that your body uses for energy, healing, and staying full longer. You can sprinkle them on salads, stir them into oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or mix them into pancake batter.